What the fuck are you doing, Derek?
Blowing on a pipe. How about you?
Videotaping a redneck that's about to shoot off his potato gun.
That's fine. More. There we go. All right. Hopefully my aim's good.
Recording.
Wow. Turns around and walks away. Let's get some sand up in there. Maybe it'll open it now.
Apple, take 2.
So shot 2, you're right here. Pop the panel and the LCD out. Oh, and a couple of keys. We'll try like this now. Yeah.
Laptop meets Apple, take 3.
Alright.
I just got hit by a chunk of fucking apple. What you got in there this time, Derek?
Rocks. What gauge is this? Pats. That's all good. All in the name of science.
Monsieur Laptop, say hello to Derek's little friend.
That one worked a little. Oh yeah. Okay, kids, lesson. 1, 2, 3, multiple layers on an LCD. Pretty cool shit. There. Cross thread. There we go.
Apple to keyboard. From Point Blank. It's raining keys. Nice.
Excellent.
Nice.
Okay, this is aftermath with a sledgehammer. Go. Come on. You almost got the motherboard fried. There you go. Flip it over. Without getting hit in the face. Oh. There you go. Oh yeah. There goes your LCD. Done yet? That, folks, is redneck anger management. Okay, so, can we zoom? Can we zoom? No, just... So, this is, what's left. Cover, and... all kinds of nice goodies, and that's a keyboard. What's left? And the back of the thing. Hey, look, the HP symbol's still alright. Wow, that's surprising. Yeehaw.